Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. This is Jason. Alright, so today we have one of the Unifi Enterprise series products. Okay, so this is the latest series of products that are launched by Unifi, which are only sold to qualified distributors around the world. So what I have here is the ECS, alright, so it's the Enterprise Campus Series Aggregation Switch, and it's rated for 100G. Most importantly is this is supposed to go well with the 𝒓𝒔, as most of you have already seen the video for 𝒓𝒔 and what it can do. And let's take a look at the actual unit itself. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove, right, so 1, 2, 3. So this is the real kit that comes together, and let's see what else we have in here. Okay, let's remove the real kit. It's very heavy. Okay, it has its own packaging by itself. Let's remove the top styrofoam layer. Okay, let me remove the unit slowly, but this is the accessory kit that comes with it. I'll put it one side. This is the hardware kit. Okay, let me keep it aside so I can lift it up. It's very, very heavy. It comes with dual power supply, I guess. Let me see. As I remove the protective cover, okay, and we can slide it out. It is definitely very, very heavy. Okay, let's take a look at the front. Okay, so you have your screen. This is the touch screen as per normal. Let me see what's on the front in order to explain further. Okay, so over here we have the touch screen and all the various ports, okay, for the 10G, 25G, and of course the 100G connectivity here. All right, so as usual, you will still need to have a controller, best of on-prem, okay, and you can connect this to the various ports that we can see here. Okay, so you have your 600G connectivity here and all the rest of the 25G connectivities, and this is the Enterprise 100G switch. Right, so you have a total of 48 ports of 25G, 6 ports of 100G. Okay, so these are on QSFPs. On the 25G, they are still on the SFP28. All right, so they're on the SFP28. Now, to show you the back, okay, I'm not going to power this unit. Okay, I strongly believe it's going to be quite loud because of the number of fans. Right. So from the number of fans here, okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 5 fans. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the ECS switch. It's very, very heavy. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll try our best to answer you. If you do like the video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.